Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of the new Slow and Sear Kettle grill with me, Max Good. Part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking, is on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products, and when we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. The 22-inch Slow and Sear Kettle grill, going head-to-head with the iconic Weber kettle. The thermometer is down low, closer to the actual cook's surface than Weber's, which is located high up by the lid handle. The high-grade 304 stainless steel cooking grate should last the lifetime of the grill. The side handle gives a nod to Weber with similar integrated tool hooks. Slow and Sear's combo ash bucket and air intake echo Weber's one-touch design, but they increase the number of intake vents and fan blades from 3 to 5. Over here is a port for a temperature controller like the popular Barbecue Guru. That's a nice feature. The ash bucket is kinda loose and wobbly, but perhaps a little easier to pop on and off. 4 legs, 2 wheels, and you get a side shelf. Folded down and out of the way when not in use. There's a cradle on the left to rest the lid. They include an adhesive-backed insulation strip you can put around the lip of the lid. Slow and Sear says you really don't need it, and they may make it optional in the future. Theoretically, it should seal the lid better, but it doesn't always want to easily settle in place. At least not when brand new. Another convenient item, a probe port to thread in your temperature probes. When smoking low and slow, they recommend opening up the large port at the bottom, shutting down the lower intake dampers, and positioning the exhaust vent right above. Adjust the exhaust damper to dial in your low smoking temperature. You got the Slow and Sear charcoal insert where you build your fire, positioned directly across from the air intake and exhaust vents. Place the stainless steel cooking grate with the hinged section right above the fire for easy fuel replenishment. And there you have it, folks, the Slow and Sear Kettle Grill, making a play to step into some mighty big barbecue shoes. Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.